All right, here we go. CNC group break number 4115, 1314 Panini Dominion 4-box half case break. So good luck, everybody. Box 1. Base card number to 299 for the Edmonton Oilers, Jordan Eberle. We've got a rookie autograph number to 299 for the Ottawa Senators, Derek Grant. We've got a two-color rookie patch auto number to 299 for the Edmonton Oilers, Mark Arcabello. Oh, cool. We've got a two-color patch and auto short print, numbered 11 of 25 for the Chicago Blackhawks, Stan Mikita. 11 of 25 for the Hawks, Stan Mikita. We've got a quad jersey, number 39 of 50 for the Ottawa Senators, Milan Mahalik, Chris Neal, Eric Gryba, and Erik Karlsson. And a base card number 299 for the Philadelphia Flyers, Braden Shen. Box 2. All right, base card number 299 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Phil Kessel. We've got a rookie autograph number 299 for the Carolina Hurricanes, Chris Terry. We've got a Mammoth jersey prime, numbered 4 of 25 for the New York Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. We've got a base gold, numbered 40 of 50 for the Colorado Avalanche, Matt Duchene. We've got a redemption for a rookie patch auto, number 299 for the Nashville Predators, Austin Watson. And we've got a stick side signatures, number 22 of 25 for the Minnesota Wild, Zach Parise. 22 of 25 for the Minnesota Wild, Zach Parise. All right, box 3. All right, base card number 299 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Dion Phaneuf. We've got a rookie autograph number 299 for the Buffalo Sabres, Mark Pysyk. We've got a one-color base patch, number 2 of 10 for the Minnesota Wild, Jonas Brodin. 2 of 10 for the Wild, Jonas Brodin. We've got a base gold, number 21 of 50 for the Philadelphia Flyers, Braden Shen. We've got a redemption for a rookie patch auto, number 299 for the Minnesota Wild, Charlie Coyle. And we've got a two-color auto and patch number 99 for the Vancouver Canucks, Jordan Schrader. All right, and on to box number 4. All right, big finish with my big man. Yeah. Base card number /299 for the Calgary Flames, Mika Kiprusoff. We've got a 2-color jersey prime number 19/25 for the Winnipeg Jets, Dustin Byfuglien. We've got a 1-color rookie patch auto number /299 for the Philadelphia Flyers, time and time again. We've got a private signings number /199 for the Montreal Canadiens, Brendan Gallagher. And we've got a rookie autograph number /299 for the Ottawa Senators, Eric Greiva. And we finish with a redemption for an auto and patch number /99 for the Buffalo Sabres, Johan Larsson. So there we go, boys and girls, children of all ages. No alternatives to speak of, so that's that.